this lesson, in their third section for time complexity, Codility presents the tape equilibrium problem. Guys, when I first saw this problem, I was so confused. Now that I've been coding for some time and I understand a whole lot more, I came back to it and was like, oh, this isn't so bad after all. I was happy to see actual growth in my coding journey. As with every student, there should be growth, but sometimes when you're so close to it all, it's hard to see that you're improving. Anyway, let's dive in. In the beginning, it was hard to envision what this problem looked like. After a good long while of study, this is what came to be in my mind. For this lesson, you're cutting a list apart 4 times. You are chopping off the first number and subtracting it from the sum of the remaining list. Then you chop off the next 2 numbers and so on and so forth. At the end of it, it looks like this. The key to this lesson is using the ABS function as you want the numbers positive, not negative. And we need the code to return the minimum difference, or in this example, 1. For our first example, we create 3 variables, 2 chops, and 1 variable determining the minimum difference while being careful to implement the ABS. Then we iterate through, adding our chop 1 and subtracting our chop 2 from it. Then we just reassign the lowest result to the minimum difference, or min diff. Check out this slide here with some added comments for more clarification. Our very first variables for the chop tackle the first step, 3 minus 10. Then the for loop continues on going through the array. This is a great solution, simple and easy to read. Our next slide adds an interesting element to the solution, the INF call. In math, this means infinity. I'm cutting to the chase here and adding the comments directly. It's a similar solution to our previous slide, but it's a bit more efficient. Take a moment to check it out. The last solution implements the system module and utilizes the max size function. The max size will give the maximum amount of positive integers that a list, tuple, or dictionary can contain. The long and short of it is, it will give the maximum amount of indices. Our first for loop creates new arrays containing the results of the sums without actually using the sum function. When we go through our second for loop using the min function with our system module, it gets reassigned and produces 7, 5, 1, 1, just like in our last slide. It will then return 1. This solution will give us 100% in performance, as the rest will also. I chose to use only 100% correct codes for this video since there were several I wanted you to see. And since I don't like to make my videos too long, I felt that going over failed solutions as well would become too time consuming. Maybe in the future, I'll tackle that side of things. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Daily videos throughout the week are coming out, so don't forget to subscribe.